This is Matt Yetter with Sherlock Home Inspections. Phone number is 971-212-7481. Website address is yourinspectionneeds.com. Today's date is Monday, March 16th, 2020. The address we're inspecting today is 16672 Southwest Birdsong Street, Beaverton, Oregon, 97007. We are about to perform a video inspection of the property's main sewer line through the side yard exterior cleanout. The equipment being used today is the ViewTech self-leveling HD colored video inspection camera. This is one of the best cameras on the market today. Before we begin this video inspection, it is to be noted that some H sewer pipes made out of clay, concrete, cast iron, asbestos, and Orangeburg may be in good working order and may never have had a clogged or sewer backup before. However, due to real estate transactions, attorneys, and lawsuits, Sherlock Home Inspections must recommend the following to meet the current codes. All sewer pipes should be watertight, made out of cast iron, ABS, 3034 or HDPE pipe with all appropriate fittings and couplers. All sewer pipes should be free from breaks, offsets, separations, tree roots, bellies, and party sewers. Sherlock Home Inspections recommends replacing any sewer pipe that does not meet these specifications. Here we go. We are in 3-inch ABS plastic drain piping. We are running some water from the first floor half bathroom sink to ensure that our pipe is watertight and is going to remain watertight throughout this inspection. All of the joints, junctions in the pipe, at least that we've seen so far, appear to be glued watertight. Pipe shows no recent signs or previous signs of blockage or backup. And everything after about 20 feet, we see a nice strong downhill flow to the water, meaning we get to have gravity work with us as opposed to against us, pushing everything strongly downhill. Here's the first area where a little bit of marginal pitch. So we had a pretty strong downhill flow until this point. So about 24 feet we get out here, and as we take that turn and we head towards transition in pipe sizes, things slow down just a touch there. So a little bit of marginal pitch through this area, not too bad, and then we're going to transition here. So maybe something to keep an eye on, but doesn't appear to be causing any problems, and don't really foresee any problems in the future. So this signifies a couple of things. This signifies a transition in pipe sizes, so we're going from 3-inch piping into 4-inch piping. This also signifies a transition in pipe materials, so we're going from ABS into 3034, and also signifies a transition from the private builder's material into the city branch piping. And so even though we enter into city branch piping here, technically all of this will be buyer-owner responsibility. And there was probably just about 12 inches, 8 to 12 inches of marginal pitch, where it was still draining, but just slower than everything else that we've seen. So it wouldn't be a bad idea to have sewer scopes performed periodically, just keeping an eye on things. With the amount of weight on these pipes, and with the amount of rain that happens in the Northwest, it is certainly possible for additional leveling or pipe shifting. Even the settling of a house can cause some shifting of pipes, so it wouldn't be a bad idea to keep an eye on things. There's 50 feet. We're coming to the end of our ride. So we'll call it 63 feet to the city lateral. This is the end officially of buyer-owner responsibility. This is the large lateral pipe running through the middle of the road out there. This is the pipe that the homes in the neighborhood, or at least the homes on the street, are tying into. So we started in 3-inch ABS, we transitioned to a 4-inch 3034, and we dropped in the city sewer connection at around 63 feet. Overall condition of the pipe appears to be in working condition and passes inspection. I'm going to turn off the microphone and the water. We're going to drain everything out of here, look at the pipe one more time in reverse. But unless we see something different on the pullback, again, the overall condition of the pipe appears to be in good working condition and passes inspection. And just strictly as precaution, because we have a few inches of marginal pitch, the camera head was never submerged. It didn't ever go underwater. We didn't have a water belly or anything like that. But because of a little bit of marginal pitch, not a bad idea to keep an eye on things, because pipes have been known to shift or change as the house settles or with the amount of rain that happens in the Northwest.